In 1651, Oliver Cromwell arrived to Scotland, building citadels in Ayr and 4 other strategic towns. Designed by the Dutch Hans Ewald Tessen, Ayr Citadel was the largest, with its stone believed to have been brought by sea from Ardrossan Castle. It was hexagonal in plan with 6 bastions and 6 curtain walls. The enclosed area was 16 acres, room enough for a garrison of 1,000 foot and horse soldiers. Unlike previous military buildings in Ayrshire, the citadel was massive, with no fancy turrets or battlements, but squat, forbidding, 6-legged, and dourly prepared for assailants on all sides. Heavily defended, it was bounded on 2 sides by the sea and the river, and on the landward side by a moat and earthworks. It was built in a well-tried continental style with a commanding view of the surrounding district and the ability to be supplied by sea. The citadel was so costly that Cromwell is said to have asked if it had been made of silver. After the restoration of Charles II in 1660, the citadel was dismantled to prevent its use by parties hostile to the crown. It was granted to the Earl of Eglinton as the barony of Montgomeryston, and ownership passed later to the Kennedy of Cassilis. After various unsuccessful attempts to develop the area, about 1800 the moat was filled in, and the area was laid out after 1850 as a residential district. Much of the original fort wall facing the sea and the harbour is still visible. On top, the northwest bastion, we can see the unusual projection built by the eccentric John Miller, called Miller's Folly, a grotesquely oversized bartizan with huge corbels, often mistaken for a sentinel post from the times of the citadel. However, it is a Victorian embellishment, yet some of its lower stones may be original.